Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize SEO strategies with Moz easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Moz website and creating an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Moz Pro dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the key features available, such as keyword research, site audits, and link building tools. Begin with the Keyword Explorer tool by entering a relevant keyword for your niche. Analyze the suggestions provided, focusing on metrics like search volume and difficulty. Select your target keywords based on relevance and potential traffic. Next, utilize the site crawl feature to identify technical issues on your website. Review the report generated to see areas requiring improvement. Address issues like broken links, missing meta tags, and slow loading pages. Now, move on to the on-page optimization tool for guidance on improving your content. Input your target URL and receive specific recommendations on enhancements. Implement changes to your titles, headings, and content structure based on these suggestions. Next, explore the Link Explorer tool to analyze your backlink profile. Check for quality backlinks and identify opportunities for new link building efforts. Use the metrics provided to understand your domain authority in comparison to competitors. Finally, set up custom reports within Moz to track your progress over time. Regularly review these insights and adjust your strategies as necessary to stay competitive in search rankings. Continue to refine your approach based on data and trends observed within the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.